Here are 4 ways to success using social media. Imagine turning every like, follow, and share into possible income stream. Sounds good, right? But there is a catch. The digital world is crowded and standing out is more challenging than ever. That's where we're coming in. Today, you are going to learn how and why social media for affiliate marketing is your journey changer. Stay tuned. I have spent hours testing, optimizing, and refining strategy to ensure they are bulletproof. From Instagram to YouTube, we have mastered the art of turning passive scrolling into active earning. And today, I am sharing my wealth knowledge with you. But how does affiliate marketing on social media actually work? It's all about leveraging your posts and profile to share affiliate link on unique discount code. When your followers make a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. Sounds simple, right? But there is a strategy to do that. You can't just scatter a link across social media and hope for the best. Here is a 4 ways to get success for that. Number 1, understand the power of social media. Social media is not just for keeping up with friends. It's a marketplace teeming with potential customers. With the majority of US consumers active in social media platforms, the opportunity for each is immense. But it's not just about access. It's about engaging with people who are already interested in what you have to offer. And with the cost of entry being virtually zero, social media is the perfect launchpad for affiliate marketing attempts. The next important step is choose the right platform. Not all social media platforms are created equal. Your success depends on selecting the right one for your niche and content style. Let's explore the top social media platforms. YouTube ideal for detailing tutorials, product comparison, and engaging content that showcase product in actions. Remember, authenticity wins viewers. Now, let's see Twitter. Twitter is great for quick and engaging with trends and teaching and reaching savvy audience. Keep it concise and impactful. Now, TikTok is perfect for viral, trend-driven content. Think outside of the box and create engaging short videos that capture the essence of the product you are promoting. Facebook, with its diverse user base, Facebook is versatile. Use growth to your advantage and engage in ingenious conversation. Lastly, Instagram, a visual platform that perfect for lifestyle and beauty niches. Like use stories, posts, and reels to weave a visual narrative around your affiliate products. Pinterest, ideal for niches that drive on visuals like home decor, DIY, and fashion. Use high quality images and strategies keyword to attract and engage audience. Crafting engaging content. Success in social media affiliate marketing hangs on your ability to create content that resonates. This means understanding your audience need and interest and presenting product as solutions. Whether it is complete tutorial on YouTube or an eye-catching post in Instagram, your content should add value and encourage viewers to explore your affiliate links. Number 4, navigating the challenges. Building a following and maintaining engagement require patience and strategy. You need to stay ahead of changes and find creative ways to integrate affiliate links without breaking the user experience. Remember, authenticity and transparency are key. Focusing value. Always aim to provide genius value to your followers. Your recommendation should feel like a natural extension of your content. Engage authentically. Respond to comments, participate in decisions, and build the relationship with the audience. Engagement breeds loyalty. Optimize for each platform. Try your content and strategy to suit the specific of each platform. In fact, what works in Instagram may not work in Twitter. Do you have question or tip on affiliate marketing? Share in the comment below. I love to hear from you and learn together. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe for more insider tips in mastering the art of affiliate marketing. Now, social media offer affiliate ground for affiliate marketers, but success does not come easy. It requires a blend of strategy, thinking, creative content creation, and relentless engagement. By following the guidelines experience I have shared, you are well on your way to converting your social media effort into a juicy affiliate marketing venture. Now, ready to elevate your affiliate marketing game? Dive deeper with my comprehensive guide in becoming an affiliate marketer. Visit my website ayubisalmi.com and start transforming your social media bubble into profit. See you there, and cheers to your success.